today's topic, we're going to focus on the cloud server migrations. Now, most of the Meta-Ring server has the current either Linux or the Windows server has been migrated towards the VMware environment on the last decade. Now, AWS, Azure, GCP, they provide different tools to help the client to migrate their virtual machine server or the virtual instance within their the agnostic cloud towards their cloud. Now here's an example of the AWS server migration services. Now the first step, you need to install the right migration connectors or the server migration connectors. So if the premises server is using VMware, you're going to install the VMware migration connector. If it's Hyper-V, you're going to have the Hyper-V migration connector. If this is in the Azure, you're going to have Azure migration connectors. Now, by install the migration connector, the connector is just like agentless data connector, and it can collect the data, including the metadata, and clone those data from the VMware or Hyper-V towards the AWS virtual service. When they Chrome, obviously when they Chrome, they have to got the right, the access, and also when they replicate the data towards the cloud, they're also going to, allow to send the data across everywhere. So this is a very efficient and a very fast way to move the customer premises virtual machine data towards the cloud. Now, I'm going to talk about more details for Microsoft Azure and GCP as separate discussions.